Hi, I'm Jack from K&B Audio, and today we're going to be unboxing the IC6 ceiling speakers from Elipson. Upon opening the box, you will see your product manual and installation guide, and also your ceiling speaker cutout template. And in your internal box is the ceiling speaker. In front of the speaker, you'll see your pre-fitted speaker grille. This is magnetic, so it's nice and easy to take off and put back into place. On the front of the speaker, you'll see your main driver at the rear and your tweeter at the front. So they're nice and easy to move. Simply push them around the place you want and then they'll stay in that position. On the rear of the speaker, the main thing you need to note is the terminal connectors. So you simply push down, put a speaker cable in place and then release.